Okay, this is a complete disassembly of the Ragefire because somebody on Reddit has an issue taking it apart, and I don't think there's going to be a difference between the German and the US version. But anyways, so this is a Ragefire getting as a commission to upgrade, and let's disassemble it completely. So I usually start with the handle here. So this is probably going to be one of the most boring videos ever, but it's instructional. There we go. So this comes apart. Whoops, don't want to lose the screws because it's not mine. There we go. Take this out, put this together and to the side for now. There we go. Alrighty, start from the front. Don't forget to take this one out. Come on. There we go. Yep. Here. Next one. Okay. This one is pretty deep. Whoops. Lost the screw. That was from here. Alrighty, so I think we loosened them all up. Did I do this one? I think I did. Okay, so now the handle is still together, but we can start at the front. One of them is not loose. Which one is it? Okay. I'm just like prying this here slightly apart with my fingers, so there's nothing resisting us here. This is all looking good. This is all so far looking decent. It's a little bit stuck down here. I guess this one isn't completely loose, is it? Let's see. And what's still, of course, holding this together are the plus wire here going to the switch and the two negative wires. But apart from that, there is like no glue here. So if you have difficulties getting this off, I don't know. This is my 7th or 8th Ragefire that I'm taking apart now, so I hope this is helpful for you. This you might get stuck. You may want to give that a little bit of a wiggle when you're taking everything apart, but usually that's it. So I'm gonna upload this now for you. I hope it's gonna be helpful, and if not, reach out to me, Reddit, YouTube comments, or email me at dockhöni@höni.de or the OWL Nerf Community at Gmail account. Yeah, I try to help.